Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to open HEIC or HEIF file in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you, say I have one file here. Let me show its properties. So now you can see here it's a .heic file. So let us try to open this HEIC file. So now you can see here it's unable to open and it's showing download and install it now. So let us click on it. So you can see in order to install this extension you need to purchase it, but don't worry, you don't need to get this prices out here. So for this, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as CubeView. On the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this get CubeView and click on this download option. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run the software installer. Click on install, click on I accept, next, click on next, click on next, click on install. Click on finish and wait for a few seconds. Now just drag the HEIC file here directly. So now you can see I can easily open the HEIC or HEIF file by using this free of cost application. So finally, this is how you can open HEIC or HEIF file in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.